I'm Meggie Ito. Hello. I'm going to read you a poem. This poem is called "The First Time I Was Attacked by Wasps" by Meggie Ito. It was July, hot, summer 2023. The group that was visiting was housing families. On the Big Rock Trail, we went for a hike, which the kids told me was something they liked. Down the trail and across the boardwalk we strode, looking for footprints, frogs, and toads, when suddenly a buzz caught my attention. The kids' faces were full of apprehension. A scream, a slap, and then quite a racket. We had stumbled upon a nest of yellow jackets. First one, then two, then a few students more were yelling and crying, their arms and legs sore. We had to get out of the woods, but how? The trail was swarmed with wasps by now. So we slashed and stomped back through mud and through vines, which later turned out to be poison ivy. But we made it back to the parking lot, tired and a mess. Had I taught the kids to love the woods a lot less? But no, those kids were so proud of their feet. They bragged and they boasted over hot dogs and treats. I learned a few things in the woods that day. Sometimes things just don't go your way. Sometimes nature teaches us to be quiet and calm. Sometimes the lesson is about weathering the storm. But the land is wise and nature is brilliant. This time the kids learn to be brave and resilient.